Woo, hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Sales coming to you live from Bangkok, guys. It's a great time to be live. Look where I am, guys, and we got lots to talk about, lots of action, crypto news and crypto happenings. So guys, it's time to get crazy. It's time to get wild. It's time to get into crypto, and you know, we're going to see that Dogecoin is going to pump. It's just a matter of time, guys. And remember, you got to have faith. You got to have moxie to stay in this business. You got to have moxie to stay in. Stay positive, guys. Absolutely stay positive. I know it's hard for you guys to stay positive right now because everything is down, down. But I'm telling you, I'm absolutely telling you out there that things will go up and things will get better. And it's absolutely a great time to be alive. Let's jump into the news. Let's jump into it. Let's go crazy. Let's go crazy. I'm feeling a positive vibe. Let's get it. Woo! Remember, this ain't financial advice. It's just OG in the house expressing opinion. I love it. You love it. Let's get it. Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Bangkok, Thailand. Good morning, good afternoon. Welcome. We got a big show for you today. We're going to talk about Elon Musk's latest tweet. Also, we're going to look at Bitcoin 90-day ROI. And, you know, we're seeing that this indicator happened, two other previous times. And every time this indicator hit, it often signaled that we are at the bottom. And I really think that, you know, this indicator is probably pretty correct out there. And we are most likely at the bottom, guys. We're definitely most likely at the bottom. And, you know, we could see that we could be swinging to the upside anytime soon, guys and gals. So let's jump into it without any further delay out there. So right now we're seeing that the overall crypto markets are down. We're seeing that the Bitcoin, Ethereum, everything is down anywhere from about 3.5 to 4% out there. So we're seeing that the markets are overall down. We're seeing that the total market cap is also down right now. Let me just give that a minute to refresh. We're seeing that the Bitcoin market cap right now is at 933.46 billion. We're seeing the volumes are pretty light though at 46.92 billion. We're going to see that Wall Street and the crypto traders are going to be sitting on the sidelines and most likely waiting for the CPI data that's going to be coming out on Wednesday, guys. So this could be a huge make it or break it out there, make it or break it. And you know, if the CPI data comes out positive, better than expected, then things will definitely pump. We could have a nice reversal in crypto and the broader markets. And if the CPI is bad, like we hit 9.5%, because the predicted indicator out there is about 8.8% is where they're saying we should hit. So from that perspective, if we do hit anything above that, then it's not going to be good for crypto markets. So right now we're seeing that Wednesday 8:30 a.m. we should have the CPI data. Their expectation is about 8.8 in the house, as I said. So if we get anything higher than that, that is definitely going to be sending the broader markets will definitely tank, and that will drag down cryptocurrency as well with that. So if you take a look at the fear and greed right now, the fear and greed is still above 20, so that is positive news out there. We're seeing that the social sentiment and the overall fear and greed and sentiment for cryptocurrency is getting better than it was, last week when it was like at 12, 13, and 14. So it's looking pretty positive from that perspective. And right now we're at 22. So, from my perspective, I'm not going to be buying the dips right now. I'm still going to be hodling like a madman, and waiting for life-changing wealth in 2024, 2025. So from that perspective, if you do plan on dollar cost averaging and you want to pick up some more dips or buy more crypto, I would wait till after the CPI announcement. Sure, the CPI data could be below 8.8 and everything tanks. Everything goes up and you're missing an opportunity. But from my perspective, I don't want to take too much risk. I want to see what's going to happen with the CPI data, because we've seen that on average the CPI data every month goes up, not down. So that's probably going to be indicative of cryptocurrency is probably going to be having a downward go down, as broader markets could go down. And that is why I'm waiting, because it could be a good time to be buying some more crypto on the cheap, guys. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now. If we take a look at the US pre-markets, it's looking pretty gnarly out there. It's pretty red. It's a bloodbath out there. It's pretty much a bloodbath out there. So we're seeing that the Dow is down, the S&P is down, and the Nasdaq futures is down almost 0.8%. So we could probably be seeing things go down, down. We're also seeing that Twitter shares have tanked out there after Elon Musk said that he's terminating the deal out there. So it is what it is. And much love to Elon Musk. He did try, but the twits at Twitter, they were just unwilling and unable to give the data that Elon Musk wanted. So they're SOL basically. And right now I think they're going to be taking Elon Musk to court to see if they can force him to continue the deal. So let's see what happens, guys. Let's absolutely see what happens out there. So it looks like also right now coming in, we're seeing that Three Arrows Capital's founder have gone missing after bankruptcy filings. So it looks like the founders of Three Arrows Capital, they have skipped town. They have fled Singapore because they are going to be in trouble. So it looks like the founders Suzu and Kylie Davis fled Singapore, and their current location is unknown. They're definitely hiding under a rock, guys. And Three Arrows Capital was recently ordered to liquidate by a court in the Virgin Islands. So guys, these guys are definitely hiding under a rock. So if you've seen this guy, call your local authorities. Call them right now, guys. So let's get it, guys. So Three Arrows Capital founders, he is looking for a new place to hide, guys. So he might be joining Dogecoin with a 24-back soap on a rope gang and at a hotel incarceration, guys. So if you've seen this guy, report it to your authorities. I would appreciate it. So this is kind of a pretty good news. It looks like Bitcoin, a potential already in accumulation phase, gearing up for the next bull run and the next market, guys. So what this guy is saying, and this is from Benjamin Cohen. He's a pretty good analyst. He tends to get things right. He's seeing the last time we saw the 90-day ROI got really this bad was in way back in 2018, and before that was in 2014. And every time Bitcoin hit this ROI indicator out here, you know, it indicated the bottom out. So you can see here that if we go to the absolute chart, you can see. Let me get my Puna out of the face. Get my face out of the way. So you can see back here in 2018 and 2014, we see this indicator hit the 0.4 zone, and this often indicated that this was a bottom, guys. And you know, he's saying that he's postulating that this is another indication that the bottom is absolutely in for Bitcoin, and we could be seeing a big, huge reversal coming in. So that is pretty bullish if this absolutely happens. I'm hoping it happens. Hope you are happening. So this is from my man, the Bukalele. He's saying, thank you for selling cheap, says President of El Salvador, because he's pretty confident that Bitcoin is going to be going uppity up. And I believe that in 2024, 2025, things are going to be going up. And I think that by the end of this year, we could be seeing Bitcoin definitely recovering, you know, in the $45,000 area, if not higher, guys. So it's a good time to be alive, and it's a good time to be dollar cost averaging. Please wait until after the CPI data happens. And other stuff that's coming in right now as well. We can see that just in the worst liquidations is likely over, says Lynn Allen on Bitcoin. And we could see that the amount of liquidations could be lessening, and that would be indicative of Bitcoin hitting a bounce. And the reason we're talking about Bitcoin is because, you know, we need Bitcoin to get giddy on up if we're going to see Doge see the light of day, guys. So UK asset management industry has formed a task force to study how investors could add Bitcoin and crypto to their portfolios using a new investment procedures. So this is pretty good. It looks like the UK asset management team, they're going to be looking at how UK corporations and institutions could be incorporating Bitcoin onto their balance sheets. And if they do that, if, you know, all the corporations in the world start to add 5% of their total net worth in Bitcoin, that is definitely going to be driving Bitcoin higher and higher. And remember, there's only about 2 million Bitcoin left to mine, and once the 2 billion Bitcoins have been mined, that's it, guys. No more Bitcoin, not out of there. So it's going to become rare. It's going to become scarce. And we're going to be seeing the price pump like crazy. Looks like Kevin O'Leary, huge capitulation event is still come in cryptocurrencies. So he's basically saying that, you know, before we can see the pump, we need to see another big dump. So I don't kind of agree with him on this. I think we're getting pretty close to bottom. Okay, so if Bitcoin goes down to 10K, that's fine. I'm loading up. I'm happy. Let's go 10K. Bring it on like a madman, guys, because I know that overall we're going to be going uppity up. And whales are still buying, guys. It looks like, you know, whales are buying 140K Bitcoin each month directly from exchanges. So you can still see that the whales are buying. Whales are still hodling, and you can see that the amount of Bitcoin exchanges is going down, down. Also, looks like the Ethereum 2.0 has been delayed right now. So the merge has been delayed till September. OMG. You know, at the rate that things are going with Vitalik and Ethereum, the Ethereum 2.0, we could be looking at next year, guys. So Vitalik, if you're listening to this, wake up, guys. Kick the team in the pants and let's get this Ethereum 2.0. And that is another reason why Ethereum is struggling right now. Looks like breaking. Japanese yen falls to 24-year low against the dollar. OMG. And that is why we're seeing the DXY is absolutely going nut insane in the membrane, guys. And that is not good because, you know, look at the DXY. It's at an all-time high, guys. It's absolutely an all-time high. And this is absolutely not good for Bitcoin. It's absolutely not good for crypto. This is a big suck event right now, and we definitely need the DXY to be going down, diddy down. And look, if we go all the way back to 2017, we have not seen this high, guys. So this is definitely an all-time high. I don't care what anybody says out there. This is not good for crypto. It is bad news bears, and it's not helping when we have the, you know, the Japanese yen just tanking like a madman out there. So let's get it, guys. And we're also seeing that, you know, the GB pound is tanking, the euro is tanking, and that is why the dollar is so strong, even though inflation is insane. You know, like in Vietnam, the inflation rate is around 3.85%, and the inflation rate in Bangkok is around about 5% out there. So, you know, Asia is looking pretty strong in terms of inflation, but it looks like the Europe, the US is, the inflation is insane. So this is from Elon Musk, and I think it's kind of funny. He said, Elon Musk said, they said I couldn't buy Twitter, then they wouldn't disclose the bot information. Now they want to force me to buy Twitter in court, and now they have to disclose the bot information. So at the end of the day, Elon Musk is going to get what he wants. So maybe there is a sliver of hope that he could be still buying Twitter, because he will get that bot information. But it looks like, you know, now they want to force him to buy Twitter. But if they do go to court, then Elon Musk is going to raise the issue about the bot information, and the judge and the court will compel Twitter to absolutely reveal that information. So this could be good. Maybe the deal is on, guys, but right now it's officially dead in the water unless the court compels Elon Musk to buy it, guys. So it looks like you know, BTC has weekly close below 200 weekly moving average for the 4th consecutive week. So we still see that, you know, BTC is still unable to get above the 200-week moving average, and this is bearish, guys. This is absolutely bearish. And if we can't get above the 200-day week moving average soon, we could have a capitulation event that could see itty bitty going down diddy down to 10K. So let's take a look at right now for the price of Dogecoin. We're seeing that Dogecoin right now is trading at 0.651, so 6.5 cents in the house, and it right now is just being supported by my downward trending support line. And if we cannot get ourselves above that, if we cannot stay above that, then we're going to be collapsing back down, going down kind of like in this range here. And that range is not very good. So if Dogecoin does continue, then we could be seeing ourselves going down to 4 cents, guys. And if we do drop into this support zone, drop below the support zone, and we get back into this area here, we could definitely see, you know, Doge definitely getting in the 4 cent area, and there could be a definitely on chance risk of us going down to 2 cents, guys. So let's hope that with this Dogecoin does stay above my descending support line. I'm really hoping it does. We definitely need to have a breakout for the Doge Awards. So it's not looking good for Doge. I'm telling you straight, it's not looking good for Doge right now. Also, right now for Bitcoin, we're seeing Bitcoin right now at $20,570. Our next line of defense is around 19,500. If we cannot stay above if we cannot get back above the $21,000 area, then we will definitely be retouching the 19,600. And if that doesn't hold, well, then we're going to see 17,500. Now, I did say this morning there was 60% chance of going up and a 40% chance of going down. So it looks like right now, at the time we're recording, it looks like we're more likely to be going down, and we could be seeing $19,632 in the house. And if that does hit, that would take Dogecoin probably down to about 5.9, about 6 cents in the house. So that's what's going to happen. So if we take a look at the itty bitty baby on the weekly right now, we're seeing right now on the weekly, we've got about 6 days, 14 hours, definitely looking pretty gnarly in the house. And we could be seeing that, you know, we could be seeing, like I said, worst case scenario for us going down to about 17,000 and some change out there. So, you know, bitty skirting on a little bit of collapse in 19.6, 19.5 in the house. So just have to keep on keeping on, hopefully get a reversal, and we'll be going to the upside. Like I said, DXY is insane in the membrane. We're seeing right now Shiba Inu is also breaking down from my upward sloping trend line, and that is seeing us at 11 cents. And if we cannot keep above that, then we could see the Shiba Inu definitely could be breaking down, and we could be going back down to these levels around about here, which would take us down to around about 0.77. So we could be seeing ourselves going down to about a whole bunch of zeros and 8 in house. So we could see around this area as being some support. We've seen some support around about this area right here. So we just draw a line there. So there's some support there. Hopefully we can get above that trend line. If we do break down, we're going to see a bit of downward slope, a downward pressure on Shiba Inu. Inu, and we'll see ourselves going down to 0.8-ish in the house. So that is what I'm thinking for Shiba Inu. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and comment. We're seeing also right now that Ethereum is also at 1147, and it looks like we could be breaking down. That is because 1, Bitcoin is going down, 2, the broader markets are going down, 3, we got CPI data, so there's not a lot of volume right now. We're seeing light volume, and 4 is that the merge has been delayed. So that is what's going on from that perspective out there. So that's going to bring this video to a close, and guys, don't forget to go and smash the likes. Go watch all my previous videos, and also guys, do not forget to follow on Twitter. Watch out for this fake scammer Twitter account, and they've been contacting a lot of you out there and trying to offer your services, guys. So it's just a scam. Watch out for those. If you see this, block it, report it, get them out of there, guys. And we've got 4,578 followers, so follow like a madman. And guys and gals, don't forget to go and check out all my links and get your crypto off exchanges. Do it right now, I'm telling you. And you know, follow my affiliate link, my Nano Ledger affiliate link. Guys, support the channel. And guys and gals, do become members, guys. If you want to become a member, all you got to do is click the membership tag on the YouTube homepage and join, guys. We got a beautiful WhatsApp group, guys. We got about 350 members out there, and you know, we're exchanging information and supporting each other and loving each other, guys. So it's a loving community out there. And guys and gals, don't forget to get the merch, get the mug to mug, get the cup to cup, get the hats, get the hoodies. And I just want to say God bless each and every one of you out there. It's a great time to be alive. Crypto is a jungle. Be safe out there. Watch out for the bots. Watch out for the scammers in the contents. I'm never going to try to contact you. Tons and tons of scammers in the contents. OMG. It's insane in the membrane, guys. So go with God. Be with God. I'll see you in the next one, guys. God bless you. Peace out. Absolutely peace out. I'll see you next one. Let's get it, guys. Peace out.